Hello, I'm the Ultra Grande 625, powered by patent-pending Ultra Voice technology, the newest Ultra Rewinder line for institutional rolls up to 250 millimeters diameter and industrial towels up to 330 millimeters diameter. I'm engineered for running stable 600 meters per minute real-world production speed. And today, I'm not just running, I'm talking. The Ultra Grande 625 debuts our patent-pending Ultra Voice technology, a breakthrough that allows me to speak directly to the operator in real time to keep your line producing at the highest possible speed. Not on paper, but on the floor. That's right, the line now has a voice. Let me show you.
I will indicate with sensor 3 when you should reduce the speed of the roll that is finishing, stop it before it runs out of paper, and eject it. Warning, each minute of downtime means losing 1,000 toilet tissue rolls or 450 kitchen towel rolls.
I communicate through a dedicated voice agent control panel, through strategically placed speakers on the line, and through Bluetooth devices like operator headphones. And if something happens, I don't leave your team guessing.
Attention, wrap-up detected. The line has stopped automatically.
Then I guide recovery step by step back to stable running, back to control, and back to steady 600 meters per minute production. I monitor the entire line, end to end, including 3 unwind stands, embosser lamination unit, core machine, rewinder, tail sealer, accumulator, and 2 saws, one for institutional rolls up to 250 millimeters diameter, and the other for industrial towels up to 330 millimeters. Built for global teams, I can speak in multiple languages, so you can deploy the same technology anywhere in the world. English, Español, Français, Deutsch, Zhongwen, Hindi, Filipino, Português, Kiswahili, العربية, and more. Same line, same standards, same performance mindset, any country, any operator, any language, high-speed production you can actually run, and a patent-pending technology that gives the line a voice and can help increase efficiency up to 25%. Ultra Grande 625, 600 meters per minute, steady and reliable, powered by patent-pending Ultra Voice technology.